Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, January the 30th, 2025. Um, we have not so good news today because we have only three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. Let me show you. No additional, so only three, and we have 6 puzzles to go to 10k. Yeah, I will stop with 10k. So tomorrow on Friday will be my last 3 puzzles, and tomorrow I will do a speed test because it's the last time that I solve the puzzles. So tomorrow speed test, and yeah, let me start with this one, the 3 stars Sudoku number 995. Yes, 995. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. 27, that's a lot. Usually the 3 stars Sudoku has 25. This one has 27. 2 digits more, should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. Let me start with the 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, the 1 there, 1 should be here. 1, 1. 1, 1. Well, seems like I cannot continue with 1. How about the 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. Only place level 7 should be there. 2 and 5. 4 missing numbers now in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are. Oh, wait. No. This should be a 5. Okay. I need to wait. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 places. Level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. We have a 2 in the first row. 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place level 2 should be there. 2, 7, 3. 3, 3. With a 2, 2, 2. Need a 4 here. Right. Need a 6 there. Well. 9, 8, 1, 7, 3, 4. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 5 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay, and I need a 1. Okay, no. Need a 6 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. 3, 4, 8, 9. 3, 4, 8, 9. Well. Need a 6 here. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6, 6. 5, 2, 6, 7. Need a 7 here. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there, 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7, 3 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the second row. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 5, 5. Well. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next, so that column the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 and a 9, we have 8 now in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the third row for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. I need a 1 here. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 3 and the 4 are left. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there, okay. How about the number 8? 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2. How about the 5? 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yep. Yeah, I think yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. 9. Well, these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in that row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. 1, 2, 3, and 9. 3 and a 9. Come on, come on, come on. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there in the last row. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the 4, we have 3 in this last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 1 box left now in the last row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left, 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 4 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 3 or a 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. How about 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 13 minutes. We solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Sudoku with 4 stars and the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.